Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Soul Journey, and today we are going to read about that what's their feelings for you, what's the feelings of your person of interest. It is going to be a romantic reading. It's going to discuss about the love situation in your life. Okay, if you want me to do a neutral reading where you can know about anybody's feelings for you, then we can do that, but let me know in the comment section below. Okay, for that I've also put a poll on my community section for what you want to see on the channel, like what kind of podcast was the topic. So if you want, you can go and vote there. What's their reading one this time? So I'm going to do that. Let's see what happens. And I'm also like on the weekly basis, at least I do the feelings reading. I'm also thinking of like making my time for like personal reading like little bit limited, so that I can concentrate more on the channel. Because of personal reading, I'm unable to concentrate more on the channel. So I think I'll limit that. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'll let you know. I'll update on the channel that what will be the thing for the personal reading. I just need 1-2 days to figure out that. Okay, and those who have already booked, you will get your reading on time, so don't worry about that. And yes, so we have three options today, and first is the Emperor. Okay, second is the Tower, and third is Queen of Pentacles. So center yourself, make yourself a little bit calm. I know the situation is a little bit hard for few people who are going to watch these readings. So calm yourself first of all, and then go forward to look for a pick a card reading. That was my suggestion. So let's start with the first, the Emperor. Okay, and also we're going to roll the dice. So if you have any question related to the relationship, make it very specific. We're going to know about yes, no, maybe, whatever. Okay, and yes, we have a lot of oracles and tarot that I'm going to pull, and we're going to ask a lot of questions to know in detail about their feelings for you. Okay, so let's start with the Emperor. Okay, so people who have chosen the Emperor, let's see how they see your connection as. Ooh, is little bit change and karmic completion is there, but these two cards also want to come up, so let's take them. Okay, and there's a moderation also. So if this is a Sagittarius, this is a special message for those people who are in connection with the Sagittarius, or like you are Sagittarius or they are Sagittarius. Like I'm also seeing Aries here, and Libra also, but regardless of the signs, let's discuss about the energy here. Okay, so this person like thinking about or like want a very sudden change in this connection. What they how they see this connection also, there that there are a lot of changes that happen to them because of this connection. Okay, because we are getting the change card, the karmic completion card, a lot of changes that they have seen because of this connection. Okay, a lot of grounding that they feel, because like this connection grounds them a lot. There is a root chakra thing, that root chakra healing, like healing of insecurity, healing of instability in their life. This person feels a lot more supported by you or by this connection. I'm also seeing completions here and changes here a lot. Like 5 is a number of change, 13 again a card, 13 represents the like death card, and that is also represents the transformation. So there's a lot of change that this person have gone through, and also they want to put efforts, more efforts for this connection to like make changes in their life for this connection. It could be that they're ending few things in their life because of this connection, because there's like, you know, there's a like greenery in their life, like, you know, a life, like green represents life for me, the nature, the life, growth. So heart chakra, so there's a lot of growth they want for this connection, they want this connection to grow more and more. They want to more put forward more efforts. They are very motivated for that. One more thing, that they also want you to put more efforts for this connection. They like or they see you as putting more efforts in this connection. Like this is like they see this thing as a mutual, like, and they are feel like motivated, like, you know, you want to do all those things for this connection, so they also want to do a lot of things for this connection, because they feel like this is mutual, this is two-way, I'm in it to win it, I want this, and I'm going to fight for this thing. Because karmic completion is this is like there's some kind of obstacle also there, which they think or feel, or they, like, you know, think that, you know, in the future it will come, or already you both are facing. It could be long distance, could be like a family issue, it could be like any kind of situation, a financial situation for you people, or there's like people in your life or their life don't like, you know, this couple. So there's like some fear, or that fear is already like being manifested, like it's all already happening. But for few of you, I'm feeling just this thing as a fear. So they want to fight that thing, even if they are like afraid of few things, they still want to continue, they want to go for it, and they are very motivated when it comes to this connection. Okay, let's see how they see your energy. Okay, your energy, like how they see you as a person and your energy. So we got third chakra, like, you know, like, are you kidding me? This is like I was talking about the solar plexus, and you got the solar plexus. So they see you as someone who's very motivated for this connection. And 3 plus 7 again 10, so there is a 10. So completion. Woman holding a coin, so they see you as someone who is worth investing in, plus you are investing a lot in this connection and for this person. Hostility, so for few of you, I feel like there is something happened which made you feel like, you know, a little bit on the, like, you know, you took your step back. It could be that you got to know something about them. It could be like you see that there's no future, or there's a lot of obstacles, or you see something like issue with this person, but still you're investing. But I see like you're investing, but a little bit like, you know, on a defensive side you are, and they know this, but still you are like, you know, continuing. You are motivated, but you are still little bit defensive, and you are controlling yourself a little bit. So yeah, they see you as that, like little bit of controlling, but still continuing, like it's still cautious, but still moving forward. So they see your energy as like, you know, you are a little bit cautious, but you are still moving forward. You still want this connection, and you are going for that. Okay, so let's see now that what this person feels exactly for you. Okay, we got to know about the connection, what this connection is for them. Let's see what this person is feeling for you, right? Currently, what they are currently feeling for you. Okay, so putting forward effort, they want to put forward effort for this connection. They are working on their career, or they are working towards this connection, or making things happen, like tangible things. It could be like you know, planning to make a step forward, because this is something tangible, and this is like offering, you know, this is a time before you feel stable enough to offer a 10 of Pentacles. So 8 of Pentacles is a, you know, a step where you are not 9 of Pentacles, but you're not even analyzing like a 7 of Pentacles. So it is like, I have decided that I want to do this, and I want this in the tangible way. I want this connection in a tangible way. So I will move forward toward 9 of Pentacles. Stable. I want to feel stable enough to offer someone a 10 of Pentacles, you know, with the Ace of Pentacles, by adding an Ace of Pentacles to 9 of Pentacles. So this is like, I've decided, this person has decided that what they want, and they are moving forward for that. So like this could also, like as I said, this could also be a long distance relationship, but this is also like waiting for the results. So whatever they are working towards, they are waiting for the results, as a nine of pentacle for them. So they are waiting and looking forward for the nine of pentacle energy in their life, so that they can offer you a 10 of pentacles. So this person is in love, this person wants you for the long term. Ooh, so yes, this person is in love. There is also a lot of sweet friendship energy that I feel. They feel a lot of friendly vibe with you. They enjoy spending time with you. They like to laugh with you. They enjoy to share fair share of their bad things in their life, like bad experience or something went wrong. Like there is an energy that when they come towards you, they feel like you will fill their cup, and when you will go towards them, they will do their best to fill your cup. So there is a mutual filling up of a cups. So they know that they are not draining their cup when it comes to you. When they give something to you, they know that you are going to give something to them, even without trying. Like sometimes we enjoy someone's just presence, that this person is just present there, and their energy is so vibrant, so good. It feels so good that we feel fulfilled, we don't feel drained. And sometimes what happens, like when we are around few people, we feel drained, we feel bad, we feel wrong, we feel like I don't want to be there. But in like especially in a physical surrounding, like when they are physically in your surrounding, they just feel like your vibe, they feel very fulfilled, they feel motivated, it like their batteries are charged. It's like very good feeling, even if you both are not talking and nothing is there. It's just energy which is like very fulfilled. Okay, and they are very sure that they want to attain the stability, that so this person, yes, this person is like an emperor. Person is very decisive about you. They want this thing and they will go forward for it, because they are getting a lot of things. Nine of Pentacle is there. Oh, so Nine of Cups is there, sorry. So there is like you are their wish fulfillment. Okay, and there is a Seven of Swords. So yes, you are their wish fulfillment, everything is good, but this person is not telling you something. It could be the fear that they have, the obstacle that they think, they're not expressing all those things to you. Or if they have already, even if they have expressed, they don't want to bring that topic again. So they are like trying to make things like normal. Things are normal, there's nothing issue, there's no issue there, there's no fear there, everything is fine, I'm good. But fear is still there. Yes, this person is not telling you everything, but things are like and yes, they feel a soulmate connection with you, and they want to come around to you. If this is like something went wrong, which I'm not seeing, but it could be, because there was a karmic completion. So if there was some kind of distance, or some kind of like no communication, there was some kind of argument, fights, then I'm seeing that things to be ended. Like they want to end that thing, and they're seeing that thing will end, because there is very mutual energy. Like the way they feel for you, they think that you feel for them the same way. But whatever it is, they want to come around, they want to meet you, they want to be with you, and they feel a very innocent, I told you, a very friendly, innocent, sweet vibe they feel with you, and that is there with the Six of Cups. So it is very evident there. Okay, so now let's have some advice for you guys, and then we will roll the dice. Okay, so what's the advice for the pile number one? First of all, clean your energy. Okay, if you can do nothing, then just do walk on the ground. And I feel there is some kind of insecurity in you when it comes to this connection. Insecurity, or fear of instability, or fear of non-commitment maybe. So advice for you is to be fair. If if you're expecting from something from this person, then I think you need to put forward the same kind of efforts. If you want some change in the situation, I feel you need to put the same kind of efforts. You need to change something if you are expecting a change, because like regeneration is giving me a feel like in order to get a change, you have to change something in your life, in you maybe. So it will be in a better direction, not in like you just covering up your insecurity about something. It's not about that. But if you want something to change, then change yourself. It could be that make yourself more disciplined, make yourself more justice, at least tell yourself the truth of the situation. Tell yourself the truth with what kind of wrong things you are doing. Tell yourself and accept things for what they are. And also one thing I'm getting, that you will not be, at the end of the day, you will not get betrayed by this connection. So don't feel like that. To be fair is telling me that this person is very fair and very truthful to you. And so they will not betray you, they will not cheat on you, they will not lie to you, big things. They will not go behind your backs to any other person. They are not going to do that. So if you have that kind of fear, that kind of thoughts, then that is not going to happen. Even if you are like in a distance, or like this is the fighting period which is going on, no communication period which is going on, I'm not seeing this person going around and cheating and betraying you. And they will not betray you with anything. So this person is very, very, very fair to you. So you don't have to feel like that this person is going to change in a way which will be against you. This person is not going to change in a way which is going to against you. This person is going to improve themselves to be better for this connection, and they want the betterment of this connection and the betterment of you. Like you deserve better, this person will become better. So this person is good, a good person for you, a good relationship for you. So I think you should invest in this connection. If this is resonating with you, all these things which I talked about, then you should invest in this connection. I'm not saying if this person have betrayed you, that you know about the fact, then this is not the thing I'm talking about. I'm talking about the fear. If this is just fear, then that is just irrelevant in this situation. There's no need to be fearful of betrayal and cheating and lies and deceit and all those things. So that was your reading. Let's roll the dice, make it very like specific question. You can pause the video and let's see. What is the answer to the question that pile number 1 is asking? So this is like maybe yes. So it is for me 60-40 guys. I see a ratio whenever I get the maybe thing. So this is like 60% it's yes and 40% it's no. So it's more chances that it will be a yes. Okay. So but this is not like a very definite set in the stone yes, but it is yes. I understand what I'm trying to say. That was your reading. Let me know how it resonated with you. Comment below, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you want a personal reading, let me know. All the information in the description box below. I will let you know guys the schedule for the personal reading, because I want to invest more time on the channel. I'm not investing that time because of the personal reading. So I will try to make a proper schedule and slots. So so let's see how that works. And if you haven't subscribed to me on the Hindi channel and you are a Hindi viewer, you can subscribe to me. The link for that is also in the description box below. For donation, the link is in the description box below. Any amount is acceptable, but it should not be like beyond $100, so that's not acceptable. Yes, and last but not the least, I have an Instagram account if you want to follow me there. most welcome. If you have any kind of suggestion over the reading, then you can let me know. The next reading I'm going to do is about how they felt about when they met you last time and how they will feel about you when you will meet them next, if you meet them next. So we're going to discuss that also, that if you're going to meet them next. Okay, so that is the next reading. So I'm so excited for that. Let's see how it goes. I love you, all the very best. Hello, pile number 2. So let's see how this person see the connection with you. How they see this connection as. That they share with you how they see this connection as. How this person see this connection as. Oops. Okay. Financial discipline, and there is time out, spiritual career, and completion. Okay, so they see this thing. I see like this person is some kind of career which help people, or they want to invest, or they see that, you know, because of this connection they are motivated towards that kind of stuff, like helping people, but there is some kind of timeout that you both are facing. This is definitely a breakup situation or a non-communication situation. In the first reading it was more of a very like good going relationship, but for you people I am seeing, and obviously with the tower, with the card like tower, definitely this is like where you both are going through a breakup or some kind of up and down in this connection, where things are not going right, it's not good, you're not feeling good, and it could be that this person asked you about a timeout, or you asked this person about timeout, because whatever was happening you both couldn't take it, but you both are motivated towards a spiritual career or towards spirituality or self-growth, personal development because of this connection. So yes, this person is growing. Okay, how they see your energy, so you feel some kind of contract with this person. See, if you have mentioned a twin flame connection to this person, especially like you said that you are my twin flame, I feel like that, or I feel a soulmate connection with you, then this is very special message for you, that they actually literally believe you, that you actually see this connection as that. If you are married to this person, you were married to this person or are married to this person, and you both are in some kind of like taking space kind of situation, then they see that you are like literally still in contract with them, and you know this, you believe it, so you're not going out of contract or out of that relationship. So yes, they see you as bounded. Like I have a few of you, I feel like this person see you as someone who's bounded to them. You're not going anywhere, you are going to be there. Okay, so let's see how this person is currently feeling for you. And you know, this is like same the way they feel that you are bounded to them, similarly they feel that they are bound to you. So even if these things are not going right and beautiful, this person is in it. Okay, so what this person is currently feeling for you. So 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords. Okay. Oh God, 9 of Wands. So we are getting 4 9s here. One more card. Okay, first of all, there is isolation situation. Definitely 9 is a number of single isolation. 4 of Swords, again, an isolated retreating situation. So this person is actually have retreated from you, and in this retreat mode, this is not like they're enjoying this phase. They're analyzing, paralyzing, they are thinking about things, they are thinking about all the arguments, thinking about everything, all the situations, all the experiences, all the like future thoughts, like what is going to happen, how this thing will result if I do this or that. Like they are like in some way, I'm seeing that this person is trying to take the accountability of the situation, that what they did and what could happen if they do this or that, or etc. This person is still struggling and still continuing for this connection. For some reason, I feel like all these things are looking forward towards this Nine of Pentacles. So I feel they admire you a lot for the power and independence that you have, like very independent energy, very powerful energy, very stable energy that you have. You are working for your they see you as like putting it together, which they are finding very difficult to do. They're seeing like you are not, you're not putting it together. You are like very you are in control of the situation in some way, but they are not able to do that because they are feeling devastated, and you are feeling in control. Like they see you as like you are in control, so they are thinking that how I can be in control, because Emperor also represents control energy. So this retreating no contact energy, it's not like they are doing something else, they are just thinking about you, and it's like in their actions, in their life, it's in their thoughts. It's very evident that they are thinking about you and trying to do something for this connection. Okay, so it's like, let's see. I want to have some cards for the future for this reading specifically. So what is in the near future for this connection? Okay, Queen of Pentacles. I was talking about a marriage here, a commitment here. Yes, they see you as like they are very hurt and you are very hurt. They know that. Let's see. Please clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Please clarify the Queen of Pentacles. What is in the... Okay, so there is a communication coming for you. Okay, so in the future there is communication happening between both of you. After this retreat, they are thinking about the communication, they are thinking about how to control the situation, and they will do it. Okay, one more card to clarify this Queen of Pentacles. Definitely coming around. Communication about coming together, communication about reconciliation. So in the future, I'm seeing a reconciliation for this breakup situation. Okay, because you are the one they want. Nine of Cups, you are the one they want. So let's see what's your advice for this connection. What spirits want you to know about this connection? Like, what's the advice for this? A change is in the wind. So change is happening, guys. It's very evident. 4 nines, change card. Change is happening. Just breathe in the situation. Just breathe, calm yourself down. They see you as like you are putting it together. Just do that, okay? Because you can do that. And change is in the wind. Change is happening. Don't worry, everything will be fine. So don't worry. It's about near future. I talked about near future, so it will be like 3 to 6 months. But it could be before that. It could be before that, especially by the Capricorn season. If you are watching it currently when I'm uploading it, as it is a timeless reading, so it will be 3 to 6 months for. But for you, for people who are watching it right now and uploading it, for you it could be a Capricorn season. Okay, so it could be December, by the end of 2021. So that was your reading. Let me roll the dice, make a very quick and very specific question in your mind. You can pause the video for that, and let's roll the dice. What's the answer for the question that Pile Number 2 is asking? So it is a complete yes, very yes, big yes to you with the exclamation mark. Not a maybe yes, it's yes. Okay, so people who are like the reading, like the video, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, comment below if you have any kind of suggestion and any kind of feedback that you want me to know about, any kind of suggestion with respect to any topic. If you want, you can go on the community tab and vote for kind of reading that you want, or comment there also. Anything else, I am trying to make my personal reading in a scheduled way, like in a slot wise. So let's see how that works. Those who are interested in personal reading, they can contact me. All the information is in the description box below. If you want to donate for my channel so that I can bring up more beautiful cards and more things for you, then you can do that. The link is in the description box below. Any amount is acceptable, any small amount is acceptable. Okay, so it's about love. Okay, anything else? Yes, if you haven't subscribed me on my Hindi Tarot channel, you can do that. Link is in the description box below. You can follow me on the Instagram for the daily update. I am trying to do that and I will manage that. Okay, so yes, you're going to see that again on the Instagram. So go there and follow me. Bye guys. Hello guys. So I did your reading and I don't know when my storage went. So I already pulled a reading and it was very beautiful reading. So I will explain this reading and I hope next time you see your reading as like I am going to shuffle all the cards. So regardless, let's see. I'm so upset, but I'm not going to pull the cards again because this was very beautiful reading. So let's do this. Let's do one thing that I'm going to explain this. So this was your card and how they see this connection as, guys, you got the karmic completion and surrender. So this person is like, this person is, whatever happened, like I am seeing this reading is for the people who were facing some kind of obstacle in this connection. Or guys, this is unbelievable. I recorded this reading like when I was like through this 1 minute or something. My alarm goes off and that just stopped the reading. I had to start the reading and then I did the whole thing. Okay, and then I get back and the reading was again not recorded. Like this is like unbelievable. Like said, I did the reading second time. My heart was telling me I should not change the cards. I should read the cards again, and I read that thing again, and things everything was sorted. And then I just checked the reading and it was not recorded. Okay, now I did the cleansing. I did some singing bowl cleansing. I wished that that this is the last time I'm going to do this reading. Okay, and if it will not get recorded and if any kind of obstacle will happen in between, I will just say the this pile that there's a lot of obstacle in your pathway. You need to use your trust, and this is actually surrounding the people around you. There's a lot of negative energy. You need to remove people out of your life. Okay, there's a lot of cleansing you need to do. Okay, and after I'm saying this message, if this reading will be recorded, then just take that message very seriously, that you have people around you that is very negative for this relationship, because this relationship came out to be very positive. This person cares about you a lot, but there are people around you or around them who are very, very, very negative to the core, that they are influencing this connection a lot, and in some way they will make miscommunication between both of you. They will try to, influence the person, either you or the other person. Right now you are blocked, your energy is blocked. So maybe in your life, if there is someone who is like just don't want this connection to happen, I think you should remove that person from your life, for at least for time being. Okay, because the energy which is coming is so beautiful that this person wants a lot of good things with you. Okay, and they see this thing as like, they are very optimistic that things will go right. They want the first card which came for you is the is Fool. Their feelings for you, their current feelings for you is the Fool. They want a new beginning. They want to remove all the baggage of the past, whatever happened between both of you. Whatsoever happened between both of you, because this is a reading for the people who are right now at distance, who are right now at no talking, who are right now at disagreements, who are right now like hating on each other because your energy is like blocked. But under the deck energy was Abundance card, so that is like you love them under the deep down, but right now you are blocking this connection for some reason. Maybe you're not trusting them. Okay, the second card which they have in their energy for you is World card. They want a new beginning. Because this person has learned a lot. Okay, this person has grown into something else, and they want different things for this connection now. The third card you got with King of Wands, which is speaking about, let me check that it's recording or not. Yep, it's going. Okay, so you need to keep a check on that what's going on in your surrounding, and observing people very, 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 very eminently, what they are doing in your life. Okay, this person wants to move forward. They want to act upon it. They are surrendering in a way that they are surrendering the consequences after their actions. They're not surrendering in a way where they're not acting. They're just saying, if it's meant to happen, it will happen. No, they are trying to make it happen, and they will give their best no matter how hard it is. 10 of Wands. No matter how hard it is, they will give their best. Okay, so they see this thing as a hard. They have to do a lot, but they are surrendering the consequences. They are just like taking a leap of faith. Like even if they will just fall in the like well or valley, whatever you can say, they still want to go for it. They know they have learned a lot, and they need to learn a lot in order for this connection to work out. Okay, and they know things are very earth-shattering, heart-wrenching, but they still want, like, and over this ending of things, they want to start a new foundation. They want to build a new building. Okay, they want to build a new castle. Okay, they are trying to manifest you, and they will try their best to do that. Okay, this person hasn't told you everything about their emotions, but emotions are very, very deep, because King of Cups feels things very deeply. They will tell you, they are planning to tell you that how they feel for you. Okay, they see you as their counterpart. They feel that if you will feel like they love you, you will also put your best foot forward. They believe in that thing, but they want to go for it because they're believing in their heart. They're following their intuition. They're following their dreams, I would say, because they think that whatever happened, it was not the ending. There's still things left. Okay, strings are still attached. There's still some unspoken words. There's still things that you both need to live together. Okay, they want to become a King of Pentacle to this Queen of Pentacle, and there's a commitment. There is celebratory energy. There is marriage. There is beautiful energy where they want to go public. They want to show off you that this is my person. I love this person, and this is like husband-wife energy. Okay. And this was like very beautiful reading which was coming in, but there is a lot of obstacle. I think you need a very, very good cleansing your energy needs to be cleansed, because you are the one, your energy is the one who is in the blocking position, because their energy is totally, everything is upright, everything is beautiful, things are going good. So this person is totally into it and they are very, very open to it. You're like, there's something which is like, it could be your insecurity, it could be like your loss of faith on love, it could be anything, it could be your father issue, it could be your mother issue. Okay, so what is coming up, it could be that, you know, whatever happened between both of you felt like they don't love you enough, they don't love you, and you deserve better and those kind of things. But I think this person is very truthful to you, and this person is genuinely care about you. Okay, and also this King of Wands is like someone who is very, very attracted to you, because they see you as someone very attracted. There is sexual energy, but with the sexual energy there is the stability of a commitment relationship. It's not just sexual, it is attraction, love, you know, stability, marriage, happiness, children's, everything. Your advice was the first card you got, exchanging gifts. So your advice is that do as much as they do. Okay, so don't go extra if you don't want, but at least do little bit. Okay, because they are ready to do things. Okay, second card was time to go. So this is time that you should make a move forward, clean it up. So clean your side of pathway, clean your side of miscommunication, clean your side of hateful feelings, clean your side of negative thoughts. Okay, because this person is your soulmate. So if you think, or if someone has told you otherwise, or if you feel like otherwise, that's not a thing. Like, this person genuinely care about you, and you know, you really care about this person too. It's just that you're trying to control it, you're trying to block it, but the love is there. Okay, so that is the reading. Now we're going to roll the dice. Let me check if it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. So now we'll roll the dice. Both the time when I roll the dice, you got a yes. But let's see what needs to actually come out for you people. So make it very, very, very crisp and clear question in your mind, and you can pause the video for that, and let's roll the dice for you guys. So what's the answer for the question that number 3 is asking? No idea. So it really depends on your actions. It also depends on then that how you going to clean your energy. This is really it is really needed. Okay, secondly, how much you know, cleaning your energy and opening up doesn't mean that you lose your boundary. It is about balance, that how balanced you are. Okay, so there is need of balance, there is need of cleansing of energy. If you want, you can refer to my chakra healing series. The link for that playlist is in description. You can go for that. That will be really helpful. So it really depends upon that how things will change in a life, depends upon then what you do. Okay, don't think about what the other person is going to do. It depends on right now that what you do. Okay, so that was your reading, guys. Let me know about how you felt about. Give me some feedback in the comment section below. If you have any kind of suggestions about the topics that you know you want me to do the reading on, let me know in the comment section below, guys. The next reading is very exciting, and I got that from the comment section only. The one person asked me to do a reading on that, what will happen when I'll meet that person next time. So I'm going to do that reading next. It will be very interesting, and I'm also going to, along with that, I'm also going to ask that what happened when you met them or talked to them last time. So I'm going to do both the question and that reading, so that will be very interesting. So let me know if you have any kind of topic on your mind. Okay, like if you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and if you are a Hindi viewer, you can also subscribe to me on Hindi Tarot channel. The link is in the description box below. people who are interested in private reading with me for your particular situation, to book that, all the information in description box below. There will be limited slots because I want to concentrate on my Instagram and channel, both the channel. Okay, so because I want to put forward more content for you people, so the slots for personal reading will be limited, so hurry up and book it if you want. Okay. Secondly, if you want to donate for my channel, the link is in description box below. Any kind of amount is acceptable, but don't go beyond $100, and minimum is like you can even donate 5 cents and or 1 rupee. There's like whatever is you feel like. Okay, you can donate that, and yeah, and all donation will go towards the channel and for the cards and the things for you people. So yep. And last but not the least, I love you guys, so stay tuned and see you in the next video. I love you. Please go for the chakra healing series. You seriously need that healing. Okay, seriously need the energy healing, energy cleansing. Go for that, guys. Okay, that will really help you, not in just this relationship but in your life also, because you really need that. I cleanse the air for you. So now we are getting the reading, and please concentrate that who you are sharing your hard feelings or you're communicating with about this relationship, about your life. Like there is a negative energy around you. There is someone who don't want things to go right for you. Okay, intentionally, unintentionally, I don't know, but this person is very negative when it comes to this relationship. So just maintain a distance, a little bit distance with that person. Okay, and this person really cares about you, so all the very best. My best wishes are with you guys. I feel everybody deserves love and everybody deserves happiness, so I hope a happy soul journey for you guys. Bye.